This phone is releasing on 5th of March and it is 5G compatible. It comes with 4300 mAh battery. Display is OLED with 90Hz refresh rate, 600 nits on typical and 720 nits peak. And it is 6.3 inch in size. Resolution of 1080 into 2400 pixel, which is approximately 409 ppi density. Talk about the color options. So you have Stray Dream, Blue Breeze and Moonlight Black. This mobile will have aluminum frame with glass back and Gorilla Glass 5 display. If we talk about the internals, actually it will come with dual SIM, but it doesn't have any SD card slot, so that is a drawback of this. It comes as an internal of 128 GB and 256 GB option with 8 GB and 12 GB of RAM respectively. It has a Qualcomm Snapdragon processor SM7225. And if you talk about the camera, the back camera, it is 64 megapixel wide angle, 8 megapixel ultra wide, 2 megapixel macro and 2 megapixel depth camera, and it can shoot up to 4K at 30 frames and 1080p at 30, 60 and 120 frames. Front camera is 32 megapixel, which can shoot up to 1080p at 30 frames per second, and it has a 3.5 jack as well in it, which nowadays it is very rare to see. You can unlock the phone with fingerprint, which is under display, and it has other sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass. You can charge with 65-watt fast charger, and it has a reverse charging capability, and it comes with USB type C charging port. So thanks for watching, and please do like and subscribe to my channel.